Hi everyone, we have created a Charlotte Carz application that provides a responsive web application that has a driver and a rider interface with a special rewards that are provided for both the driver and the rider to encourage recurring use. We serve the Charlotte metro area only. So now we're going to log into the application. You need your email address and you need a password to get in. And this is our main screen. If you have rewards, you can redeem them here. But first of all, we're going to show you the history of the rider as one of the options that you have. If you click on it, it gives you all the history that you have right now, but you can also enter individual dates. So right now, like we're seeing April 1st through April the 25th. And if you click on filter, it will show you those rides only. Okay, so now it's April the 8th through the 25th. Next, we can actually look at the details. If you click on it, it will show you different details. And here you can see like the trip fee, how much it was, and if you wanna the ratings of the trip as well. And you can put comments as well. So there's more detail about the ride in this page. And we can go back. And then after that, we can actually see the profile payments. So in here, if you already have a profile set up, you can deactivate that profile or activate it. And you also have the option to add a new payment method. If you have a new credit card, or if you for some reason have a different card that you would like to use, you can go here. And then after this, you can actually go and see the reward history. In here, if you have any rewards, it will show up in this screen. So we're back in the home page where we started, and here you can actually request a ride. You have to enter the time and the date that you need the ride on, and also the street, which was already pre-populated to save some time, and the details and where the drop-off street is as well. If you needed a handicap-enabled car or how many passengers you need, and you gotta select your payment profile as well, and then you click on request ride. It will show up a new screen. In here you have an option again to redeem your rewards or cancel the trip if you change your mind. So now we're gonna log in as a driver. You need a password as well. You need an email and a password as well to go in. And this is your main screen. First of all, you need to clock in. Select the vehicle, and then you have to clock in. And then in here it will show you if there's a ride waiting for you, and either you can view the ride details, which will give you a new screen, and you can accept or decline the request as well. And we're gonna accept this one. And then from here is another screen where it's actually identifying the drop off. In this part, you have to actually rate your passenger. You can enter comments as well. And we just click on complete. And after this is done, then we're done with that. And we have a more functionality here. You can actually see the driver history. And if you click in here, we give you, and this is different, slightly different than the passenger, because it will give you all the earnings. And right now, since we only done one trip, it's just $1. But if you click on the details as well as the previous one that we saw, it gives you a little more details as well. And then you return. And then something that is different from the passenger as well is the vehicle profile. And here you have the ability to add a new car into your profile as well. So the last piece that we have left, the rider has to log in and actually has the opportunity to rate the rider as well. So when you go into the main page, you have this option, and you click on it to rate the rider. And then in here, there's two buttons. If you click on the rate as well, and then in here you can give it a rating and also write in comments for your driver. And back to the home page.